in place. In the night, you have got sufficient light, right? Sufficient. Here, sufficient lux level, lux will be maintained. Good morning. Networking.
Actually, this mobilization of temporary facilities, night work is not involved. All the because our guide word is mobilization temporary facilities. No night work is involved in this activity.
Najmuddin, I could not hear you. Can you please repeat again and slowly, please?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, because our description is mobilization of temporary facilities. Mobilization of temporary facilities are done during day shift only. Night shift, we don't have any mobilization of temporary facilities.
Okay.
Right, Vimal?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So here, I mean, I also wanted to consider the lighting for this part. So I think this is the correct one. Anything else you want to highlight?
This is
Sufficient.
yes.
Okay, good. So I don't want to create any recommendation because you know the things and things are in control, right?
Yes.
And TRA oblique approved TRA. Approved TRA oblique JRA oblique risk assessment.
It is FRA. We can tell it is FRA, yeah, formal risk assessment as per that nomenclature.
And a method statement.